Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation for our GitLogz Hackathon project, and we are following the DataLogs track. This is our team. I am Isabella and my team members Osman, Wasif and Abdullah. Now, the problem that we saw was that open source repositories often suffer from unnoticed code quality that can decline over time for a variety of reasons, such as developers struggling to get immediate feedback during the development process, and this technical debt can increase until there are potential bugs and also really serious vulnerabilities. The solution for this problem is to continuously monitor the code and to automatically generate a code report on the quality of this code whenever a developer makes a commit to the repository, and we use SonarQube to track this technical debt, identify bugs, and measure code complexity. Now, in the front end, we used React, Ace Eternity, and Vercel, and then in the back end, we used Node.js, Python, Postgres, and Git and SonarQube. And here is our architecture model. So as you can see here, when a user adds a Git repo, we will use Node.js to call a Python script that runs the SonarQube analysis. Now, this can either be triggered by using adding the Git repository or a GitHub commit being pushed to the repository. And then this code is analyzed and stored in a Postgres database. And it will store things such as the code quality scores, issue trends, historical commit data, and then this database info is relayed back to the Node.js server and updates the web page. So then in the dashboard, the user can see their report for the code quality. And Wasif will be giving you guys a quick demo of GitLogz.
Hello, I'm Wasif, and I'm going to be giving you a live demo of our project GitLogz. So this is our landing page. You know what? Let's sign up to the waitlist. So I'll just get my email, and then let's just do join waitlist. Yep, perfect. Okay, but the thing is, we actually deployed the app. So let us log in. So we're using Auth to log in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually continue with this, and then select one of my emails. Okay, there we go. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now this is our current web page. So due to time constraints, we couldn't put out a lot of the features that we wanted to, but this is what we have for now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna give a GitHub repo, and I actually have one for one of my previous projects, which is github.com/orbitfind, which is one of the companies, and then Stellar Deck. Yeah. Okay, and then if we analyze, it's gonna take a minute. Depending on how big the code base is, it will take some time to analyze and return all the information. So we're just gonna have to wait. Oh, there you go. Took some time, but yeah, there we have it. So overall, I'm assuming this GitHub repository that I gave doesn't really have much to answer, which is why the code coverage is 0.0. The reliability is 0. But the languages, as you can see, has been updated. It's TypeScript, CSS, and JavaScript. There are 16 violations. Oh wow, well, let's fix that. 0 vulnerabilities, thankfully 16 code issues, and thankfully 0 non-bugs. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
And some challenges that we faced, the initial SonarQube setup and understanding it was quite difficult to see how we should initialize this, how we could implement it using the tools that we had, and similarly the challenges we faced later on were also to do with this. So for example, Git actions permissions, it was difficult to understand how we could use SonarQube in this sense because we needed the repository permissions and also where we could host our server. Most services offered a paid service and we didn't really want to pay, so that was also a bit of a trouble, and also just setting up this hosting of our server. In the future, we would like to enhance our current code to allow it to work more independently. We would like further code analysis to allow a deeper dive into the code quality, trend anomaly prediction to use AI to analyze the code and offer advice for possible future vulnerabilities, and auto tickets to allow our tool to automatically generate tickets when certain security thresholds are met. Thank you for watching our presentation about GitLogz.